technical tactical exercise aimed at regaining possession of the ball through defensive pressure in conditions of inferiority numbers. The exercise uses the whole field. It aims at regaining possession of the ball through defensive pressure in conditions of inferiority numbers. The yellow team's 4 backs and 4 midfielders defend themselves from the attack of the 11 reserve players of the red team. In this first example, we can see how the yellow team defends itself by keeping short and tight. In this other example, we can notice the 4 midfielders looking for a short and diagonal line, with the last player forming an angle to the line of the other 3. Here we can see Mr. Sacchi suggest the exact position to the farthest player from the ball. This image allows us to visualize the correct arrangement of the 4 backs and of the 4 midfielders, and draws attention to how tight and short the team must be arranged to defend itself from an attack from the side. In this other case, attention is drawn to the defensive strategy that requires the 4 backs to move forward along the same line to leave the opponents offside. Specific exercises are carried out to get the back players used to placing themselves correctly according to the position of the ball and to choosing the right time to move forward and leave the opponents offside. These exercises stimulate the search for coordination in the movements of the 4 backs. The correct interpretation of the intention of the opponent with the ball is a fundamental factor to decide the kind of movement to make. This last exercise gets the backs used to sprinting immediately forward along the same line as soon as the ball is released. Let's go back to the exercise on the whole field to watch the movements of the 8 players of the yellow team defending themselves from the attack of the 10 players of the red one. In this example, we can see how the 4 midfielders of the yellow team attack the ball, passed between the players of the red team. We can see how they take well-coordinated positions and alternately apply pressure according to the position of the opponent with the ball, arranging themselves according to the position of their teammates. Specific exercises are carried out to also get the midfielders used to staying compact and moving coherently. With these exercises, the main principle is that for any player in the zone where he belongs, the opponent to counter is the one with the ball. Let's go back again to the exercise using the whole field to watch how 2 or 3 players apply pressure on the opponent with the ball, while their teammates mark territorially, tightening the spaces close to the action. The double marking must always be performed, above all near or in the penalty area, whenever the opponent shows uncertainty or delays in getting rid of the ball.